Picture this, a majestic creature once ruling the Atlas Mountains of North Africa. Welcome to the world of the Barbary lion. Known for their dark, thick manes and enormous size, these are the lions that once roamed the Roman Colosseums. They were considered the kings of the animal kingdom, a symbol of nobility and power. Sadly, they've been extinct in the wild since the 1960s, victims of hunting and habitat destruction. Today, a few hundred exist in zoos and wildlife reserves worldwide. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these magnificent beasts and their legacy. Remember, every creature has a story, and the Barbary lion's tale is one of majesty, power, and survival. Tune in again for more fascinating stories from the animal kingdom. Until then, keep exploring.